This is Lowbridge, Westridge. Look at him. Steak is on the left, steak is on the right. Everywhere you go. No, I'm telling you,
What's up,
it's
guys?
a MK party. Oh, yeah.
Currently here in Newlands with Ayanda. He went to... Hey, I'm blocking the camera. So this guy, we had to go buy some spares, but he decided to take me on a tour in the section.
Yeah, his place.
Not sure you guys can see all the section. But yeah, just going on a mad drive in Newlands now till I get back to a Golf. It's a city Golf parked off for a while. New spec, carbureted model. Well, the starter wasn't working at all, so I replaced the starter, got the car to crank. Currently the wiring is like a rat's nest. They took advantage of my boy here. They used him so badly, all the mechanics, so the car is really in a mess. So heading back now to figure the issue out. Yeah, you can see how drained out I am. This car, it messed me up.
So now we're finding a place, nice place for you to live here.
Yeah, see where we are. But this guy is not from here. He's just driving around. We're just looking. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on the progress on the vehicle. Yeah guys, this is the vehicle. Changed. You can see we tried so many starters that we already had. But ended up having to go and buy, just said, hey, just put a new starter in this vehicle, and this sort of starting issue out. Starters in, the wiring was a mess. Wiring is all over the place. So I'm getting it sparked, but it's like a orangish spark. The spark is not the best. Getting spark, the carburetor was replaced by another guy. Charged this guy I think 1,800 for original carburetor and just to fit it in. That's a lot. So yeah, I just got some. I don't think I could push fuel through the bowl, and I don't feel like pulling fuel in my mouth. So I mean, I got a quick start. I think I need to rewire the module, the loom, because I'm sure you guys can see that the wiring is all over the place. So yeah, need to be heading back home soon. See what we can't see. Obviously it's like a short vlog, not a full video, but yeah.
Videoed anything, so now I'm just doing something silent here so you can find something to do.
I hate Ayanda's car.
Oh my god, that's strong.
You see?
That's a bit excessive.
No car, no,
That was very unfiltered.
no car gives me this drama. You know, every car I go, I start it.
Remember when I told him, I said, you know, when you hate your car, he said, why do you hate your car? Yeah, you know this story. Because it keeps teasing. Has been to 5 mechanics. 5 mechanics. It's only working now. Right in the stable. All the lines, all the board, Danny or Tino?
Wiring is like shit, man. And I'm always only working on white golf for some reason. I have a slight miss, but it's on the carburetor. I lose my hand. was a mixture of problems. It was a lot of problems. Previous mechanics, over I think 4 mechanics, they was doing hit and miss with it. Five mechanics. Like you guys saw, car is starting now. I have to head back home, Phoenix. So yeah, I did a call out. I usually try my best not to do call out so far, but the guy is a nice guy and he really needed the help, so got his vehicle running for him. But I don't think I have the time now. If you look at the weather is shit. I don't have the time to actually neaten everything up and put everything back into its place and stuff. But I want to rewire the whole ignition system because currently I'm starting the car from the front with a wire. I don't want it to be like that. So yeah, the car is revving up. I'm gonna put some water into it, let it idle more. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if this video goes onto YouTube. But you guys know who to call if you all have a VW issue. I look like I'm on drugs, that's how tired I am. But yeah guys, 2005 carbureted model, been to 5 mechanics, car is just sitting for months. And yeah, they just messed everything up on this vehicle. Even the starter, the solenoid and stuff was rocked, it was damaged. So yeah, till the next time.